In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Bluebeam. Now, unfortunately, there's no tool to do this within Bluebeam. However, of course, I do have a workaround for you over here, which is quite convenient. Now, first, create a text box. I'm going to drag it over here. I'm just going to type in hello so we can see where it is. There we go. And then from here, what I recommend is you actually go to any program which can create bullet points. I just went to Google over here and I just typed in bullet points online. Let me show you. There we go. So it says bullet points online, and then we have this bullet point generator. I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm just going to do some random bullet points here. Here you can select however you want them to be presented. I'm just going to use the regular dot, and then here I'm going to type in number 1, number 2, whatever, okay? And then here on the right hand side, as you can see, it's going to give me bullet points. Now, if I just copy these like that, so right click and copy, or of course I could do Control C, and if I remove this, if I close this window, I can come back in here, and if I paste it, as you can see, I now have bullet points. Now, of course, you could also be generating bullet points with different alt codes and numbers on your keyboard if you are familiar with that. However, that may be a bit more tricky, so yeah, that's the method I would recommend. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.